future doctors, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this series of Study MBBS Abroad, I am back with an amazing option for you guys. If you are someone looking for quality education, global recognition, top-notch clinical training, this university has it all. From fees to facilities. Stay tuned till I reveal everything that you need to know. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So in this very particular episode, we are going to talk about IHSM. What is IHSM? It is International Higher School of Medicine, which is located in Kyrgyzstan, that is an Asian country. So it was established back in 2003 and over 18,000 students have graduated till now from this particular university. IHSM have two campuses. One is their central campus and the other is Istiqlal campus, and both are located in the same capital city, Bishkek. So is it globally approved? Yes, of course it is. It is approved by WHO, NMC, Agency for Accreditation of Educational Programs and Organizations, and Ministry of Kyrgyzstan. The faculty at IHSM for medical students consists of highly experienced and qualified doctors or professionals, and they have expertise in various medical fields. The university has modern infrastructure, labs and simulators for the better understanding and knowledge. They also arrange cultural fests and various events including sports for the mental well-being of their students. The course duration is 5+1 year, that is 5 years of training and 1 year of mandatory internship. They provide you with library which has all the essential books as per a medical student's requirements. When it comes to learning, hospitals and clinics are the best places. So IHSM operates their own medical facility, the IHSM Medical Clinic Vedanta, where students get hands-on experience on real-life patients from second year onwards. They offer a premium training program where students are provided with ProSIM ID and password from which they can easily study for exams like FMG, USMLE, UKMLA throughout their course. With the help of this premium training program and their medical professionals, I am excited to tell you that their FMG passing rate is quite great. 1,074 students have passed their FMG exam in 2024, and that makes a record. Now, if we talk about the eligibility criteria, it's very basic. You should have a minimum of 50% marks in your physics, chemistry and biology. You should be NEET qualified, and there is direct admission, no need for any additional entrance exam or any interview. Now, let's talk about the fee structure. So the tuition fee is around 3.5 lakh per year. Hostel costs you around 25k per semester. They have separate hostels for both boys and girls, and they provide you with Indian food also in the hostel, which has both veg and non-veg according to your preferences. And now it's that part of the video where I tell you about the amazing offers. So yeah, if you apply through Select Your University, you get your first flight ticket from India to Kyrgyzstan absolutely free. Select Your University is out there from the last 14 plus years, and they have sent over 2,000 students to abroad to study MBBS. So yeah, they are quite trustworthy, and SYU is giving out free tickets, and they are also helping you with the ProSIM and premium training program so that you can clear out your FMG exam like this. Click on the link given in my description and apply through Select Your University. Now let's have some frequently asked questions. Is IHSM a private or a government university? IHSM is a private university located in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Does this university follow Indian syllabus? Yes, this university has similar academic structure as that of the Indian medical colleges. Is the degree from IHSM valid in other countries? Yes, the degree is valid in multiple countries, but graduates must pass the respective medical licensing exams in their home countries. Does IHSM have separate hostels for both boys and girls? Yes, the hostels are separate for both boys and girls. How long is the flight from Delhi to Bishkek? So there is a direct flight from Delhi to Bishkek which takes around 3.5 to 4 hours. I have covered almost every question and query regarding International Higher School of Medicine, but if you still have any doubts, comment down and I will answer them for all of you. More colleges are coming soon. Till then, keep studying and keep dreaming. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as Select Your University's channel.